That's not a drill. Nothing scheduled today.
Let's get the hell out of here, people. Let's move now. Let's go.
I left my mask from Nairobi inside.
I left my lucky notepad.
Oh, I should have grabbed my Swiss lithographs.
Well, look at this building. You see any smoke?
No.
Does your super sniffer nose smell any smoke?
No.
I think one of Rondo's rejects pulled the fire alarm to get out of Ma's fun with fresh produce lecture.
All right, everybody. Some joker pulled the fire alarm. Let's get back to work.
Told you, false alarm.
Frankie!
Wow, what's the matter?
Someone stole my wallet. Okay, I cash my paycheck, I put my wallet in my purse. I keep my purse underneath the counter like I always do.
That's not very safe.
Clearly, Maura. Thank you.
You don't think.
Yeah, I do think.
Me too.
I'm gonna go put these masks away.
Okay, put them in the safe.
I don't have a safe.
No one's taking your masks, Maura.
Okay,